Welcome back, folks. Today, I've got something a little different for you. This is for those of you who are also into toy photography. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a figure, or basically whatever you want to take a picture of as long as it isn't bolted down, appear translucent. So that's when it's somewhat clear. So as to make a figure appear maybe ghostly if you want. So what you're going to need is your camera, or in my case, it's a phone, and a tripod, and your props or your figures, and then an editing program that you can add your photos onto. So what we're going to do is take a picture of the scene. And this is a really simple picture that's not going to be used for anything, just kind of to show you guys how it's done. So you take your one picture of the scene how you want it, and without moving the camera, you remove the figure that you want to appear translucent, and you take the exact same picture again. And that's the importance of the tripod, so your camera does not move at all. And next we'll bring it over to the editing program. So the program or app that I'm using here on my phone is PixArt. It's a pretty good one for doing this kind of thing. You really need just any app or computer program where you can put one photo on top of another photo. So what you're going to want to do is take the photo that doesn't have the figure that you want with the opacity and put in there first, and then add the picture with the figure in it on top of that. And you got to get it sized just right so that it is perfectly exact with the other photo. And this might even be easier for you on a computer because then you're not limited to such a small screen. And then once you get the picture lined up just right, like so, you're going to go over to the opacity and you're going to lower it to however far you want. And the only thing that's going to fade is the figure that you moved, because everything else in the picture will also be on the original picture. So that won't change at all, as long as you have it lined up perfectly. So then you get your figure faded to however far you want on the opacity. And that's all that's to it. So if you want to stick around for a little bit, I'm going to show you a couple of examples from some other shots that I've done in the past using the same method. And I really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. I mainly do figure reviews and some other tutorials here and there. Otherwise, have a great day, folks.